Hello everyone, in this time I will read the story from Sword of Malang. The story is The Legend of Nyi Roro Kidul. Once upon a time, in a beautiful and cool city, Sword of Malang, there was a palace. There was a beautiful princess named Kadita. Because of her beauty, she was called by Dewi Srengenge. It means the goddess of sun. Her father was King Munding Wangi. Although he had a beautiful daughter, he was unhappy because he always expected to have a son. I want to have a son to continue my leadership in my palace, sighed the king. One day, the king met Dewi Mutiara and he fell in love with her. The king decided to marry Dewi Mutiara. It's my first love, what I'm dreaming of when I go to bed, when I lay my head upon my pillow. Don't know what to do, my first love. Beautiful lady, Dewi Mutiara, can you be married with me? Asked the king. With pleasure, my king. Yes, I will, answered Dewi Mutiara. A few years later, he had a son from her. Dewi Mutiara wanted her son to become a king in the future. She asked the king to send his daughter away. My king, if you order Kadita out of the palace, because we need a boy to continue in leading my palace, said Dewi Mutiara. No, Mutiara. Kadita is my daughter. She shall stay here, answered the king. But you are ready to have a son. Yes, but Kadita still have to be here. Dewi Mutiara felt angry. She called a black wizard to cure Kadita. She wanted Kadita's body full of ulcer. Ha ha ha! What happened, Mutiara? I want you change Kadita to be an ugly girl. Whatever is it? Ha ha ha! It's easy. What will you give to me? I will you a gold of sack. It's enough. Then Kadita body full of ulcer. It smells bad. The beautiful princess cried. What's wrong with my body? I can't meet anybody with my body like this, cried Kadita. The king was so sad. No one could cure his daughter's illness. The king didn't want her daughter to be a rumor, so he sent her away. The poor princess didn't know where to go. However, she had a noble heart. She didn't have any bad feeling about her stepmother. She walked for almost 7 days and 7 nights. Then she came to the South Ocean. The ocean water was so clean and clear. She jumped into the water and swam. Suddenly, there was a miracle. The ocean water cured her illness. She became more and more beautiful than before. She had a power to command the whole South Ocean. She became a fairy called Nyi Roro Kidul, or the Queen of South Ocean. Okay guys, from this story, we can learn moral value that the patient princess will be the best princess. Humans must face hurdles to increase in rank life. If we are facing the trials patiently, God will increase to our level than other. So, Let's be a patient people in whatever the situation. Okay, audience, that's all for me. Story. Thank you for attention and apologize me if I have any mistake. See you.